Our journey has been one of the resilience, innovation, and growth, and it is all thanks to your unwavering commitment and support. Over the years, we have built a remarkable team of talented individuals who have dedicated their skills, expertise to the success of our company. Each and every one of you has played a vital role in our growth, and for that I extend my deepest gratitude. Your hard work, creativity, and passion have been the driving force behind our accomplishment. I also wanted to express my gratitude to our loyal customers whose trust and support have been the bedrock of our success. Looking ahead, the road may be filled with new challenges and opportunities, but I am confident that our ability to navigate them together. The world is evolving rapidly, and we must continue to embrace changes, foster innovation, and adapt to the customer needs.
I would say happy.
It's engaging.
Innovation.
Motivating.
I would say it's flexible and comfort.
I would like to say cheerful.
It's passionate.
Challenging. It's connected.
Let us raise our glass to the past, to the present, and to the future of our extraordinary company. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey, and here is to many more years of shared success. Thank you all.